department to the government.
Have asked the Meghalaya government to make mathematics compulsory in the schools. Education Minister Rakame Sangma on Friday met the principals of different secondary and higher secondary schools to discuss certain issues like making mathematics compulsory again, apart from syllabus and textbook issues. According to the Education Minister, many principals suggested changing some textbooks at par with the national standard. Sangma said the principals have asked the government to change the content of the textbook. He further informed that on 31st October, there will be a meeting of the Textbook Revision Committee.
Yes, they have suggested for the change of some textbook because to bring up along with the national standard. About 30 to 40 principals of different secondary and higher secondary schools. We had a threadbare discussion and we have discussed about the certain issues, be it about our textbooks issue, our syllabus, our curriculum, and making mathematics compulsory again. So many principals has raised their concern about learning outcomes, about the issues. Yes, they have suggested for the change of some textbook because to bring up along with the national standard.
Rangsakona MLA Subir M. Marak inaugurated